ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Samla Sanwaka Surong kabalayo apong ikapansniat hakarensan yakop Thai Bhabreu jong ka 18 Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast Arajar Arpaway kabalalong ha ITA Cultural Complex Guwahati kala Shah Pynkup Burom ha ka Seng Kynthei jong ka Snong Lawmali Shillong ha ka jingilang kabalalong ha Dorbar Hall jong ka ni ka Snong Hagani ka jing Pynkup Burom la sakilang do President jong ka Pageant India Private Limited uba ransom sutnga ubalalong kum kongsan Urang ba snong jong ka Dorbar snong Lawmali uba B Kongwir ubalalong kum sembut kongsan ke National Director jong ka Pageant India Private Limited ka kong Eldora Betsy Lingdo ki nongelam jong ka Seng Kynthei ki bahayeng hasem jong ka Samla Sanwaka Surong bat kiwei.
As I'm being called here to give an inspirational speech, especially to Sanwaka Surong, it's truly a privilege for me to be here and to see her with that beautiful crown, and congratulations to you. My advice to you, as it has been called as an inspirational speech, I have just 3 points. The first point is, if God is in your side, who can be against you? And please remember that in every competition that you compete, let God be the center. The second advice that I want to give you is through my experience. My experience is that you have to have a heart, a tough heart, as you walk through this world. I remember myself also. You are very privileged, in fact, because your relatives are there to support you, and even the whole Dorbar Lawmali are here to support you. You are very privileged. And as you walk through this road, you will definitely meet people around you who will talk good about you and who will also criticize you at the same time. So you have to have a thick skin. That's very important, because your motive is right. If your motive is right, you need to have a thick skin. The third point that I want to make to you is that in this competition, most of us, we thought that it's like we looked at the competition, we see the grand finale. But in a competition, it's not like that. There will be a 1 week or 3 days grooming before that. And in this grooming, there are lots of competitions. It will be a competition with regards to the talent. It will be a competition with regards to culture. There will be lots of competition inside before you could enter into the grand finale. So, my advice to you is that you need to equip yourself while the time is still there. You need to train yourself and you need to practice a lot to reach the higher goal in your life. And let me end or conclude my speech with a small quotation. And that goes for each one of us. Let the light in you and in each one of us be like that white light that enters, that when it enters the prison, it gives out or it scatters to everyone the 7 beautiful colors of rainbow. And these beautiful colors, to me, are love, joy, peace, kindness, meekness, and humility. And these are the qualities that will make each one of us to grow in our lives. So this is my short speech to each one of us, and especially for Sanwaka. I wish her all the very best okay, and continue to give your best. As a winner, you need to be an example. So continue to be an example to others in life and in everything that you do. God bless you.
Ini adalah yang international Lawmali, Burom bagi maksud semua. Ini adalah di Miss Samla Surong. Adalah yo akan job kerja Samsung dengan Miss Magis. Bahwa kisah pertama kalau is Burom ini job di kalau international Miss Surong ini. Congratulate you ini. I remember ini ting job tu kan boleh ni segini we lab pilapan isin kita we competition kita kami kan dalam school jadi international adu international tu kenapa persemata undang ini berat persemata kalau profesional orang macam kita nak mana lagi kita kata determination kenapa kami memang berusaha dia tentang melihat orang itu misalnya kita kita tang supek TV dan apa YouTube kita pergi persiapan orang tang mutang di fingertip kita bagi senang kita hidupkan alam kita juga teknologi itu juga dia nak beli ini Seng dalam program universiti di Sanwaka malah limba ini program milah untuk untuk kita nasional juga dia lepas kita kita lepas dia nama ini niru nakalian nasional ini tempat ini dia pernah kita jingkup lagi di dah apa ke jinjak tu kami long awal kita Pynkup beauty kita dulu kita betul apa objek ni beauty feature dia apa konsentrasi di Malaysia macam cuma tu berhad mana percaya ngapain apa kita kata willpower kamu dah beauty ke apa kiki long nama kita bintang ke beri ini beri long ini terikam bintang ke beri dari kebin kebar long ini dari apa kan beri ini pun tadi Torres ini kasih sikit itu dia beri juga kita tu apa kan jam segi di buat ki steps ke bagi long beri itu tengah tu ni ngor jadi kalau kita kata power lebih kamu dah mulai और पंजाब के मिस इंडिया में पंजाब का यूवी हम ये नींद का जगह शाम में आई सी एम पी फिर लंग या प्लेस तम और फिर यो पर की हम सुना नंबा का स्थिर का यो का बुरम का कुंजो का कदम जी
Whatever I am today, it's because of the grace of God and the love of my family and my friends. Kubishi boy ni piboro and Bakunjuru aku abanai kubling yang Seng Kynthei juga Lawmali pulun bala pen create ka program bala pedang sobhaya berkunjuru ya ibu ladan benta bala ben belong ini program tasmi kubishi boy ni piboro kini gibri ke badan cedin and kunjuru piboro ke belawan bapelat bor bapiwan ben I mensi ngana but Kadang ngam tabut han ke berkeren tanpa ke bangku abang kuri long siapa kerja ni kejonga ini ke pageant kalau sedang itu warna jaket pra bat kata kalau Miss Cherry Blossom 2018 kali ke jikwa jadi ni kejonga actually ikwa haban le ngang thomdan interest at first tanpa ikwa plat bang le tinggal sudah tanpa kemeni mo tanpa kalau no ke ba So comment bahwa aku tu kepajan ngelak benjok, your first runner-up title. Di kerja dekat no iklan no hadin Shibnai after the pageant. Di ngasusi tamba kini ketika ke dream ke journey which has now became my dream. Di namtu ngaya cekmat nak aku akan punya yang tak kejeng aku ke journey tinggal participate sa ke Miss Meghalaya and hang turu ngayo banraya ka first runner-up position, but nang tu ngayo ban represent the state Meghalaya at Miss Teen India International. Although nga kamla ban job tamba nga poy ha top 5 finalist nga ay mo hay play, but katuk kapenong shushu nga ban so tu hay nga la hay nga dungeon duna hay nga la nga happen ban improve myself mo kyong ti nang tu nga la, but hakani ka Sansil Mega Miss Northeast nga kwa ha ban shimenta tanga nga ong bala da let nga kwa bangan le shisha dulu ka dono dulu ka mensim ngam kwa bangan shuri tangan Pynkup nga kwa bala da let nga yo sin nga ta ka jingjong ti nga la prepare ko ba Arsenal nga kami ti por bangan let pat this year nga let with all like nga la I look kay ka ball mensim nga practice nga kay bro ko mo badang ti nga kwa ban I luksai ki brew ki Samla mo ba kumbaki more patience is key, and you should come out of your comfort zone, and you should never stop believing in your dreams, because hisin even film la ban yo hagasin ka baningkong kandan kasni bafin sa yo pani kayo fikwa badru ako an ong bay ki bahe mo ko kirang ba ki elderly figures ba kin support with ki youths mo, even though kin support ki na do bakin patlong 18 nang ba mangi kung ki youth am ladadan iwiru ba support niya ano ka jing men ano ka jing ka confident ni long tin tapada ko ban ong ba support and thank you but long ba you should never stop believing in your dreams, and bo ni kong do you play, because when you keep God first you'll never be last. Thank you tahi.
Miss Sanwaka, Surong, you have made every one of us proud. You are our pride. I Sanwaka Surong, hila belong yang i bangit snow sarong. Naman hila job, yang ini ke competition Sansil Mega Miss Northeast. Hagani ke jamni, nasok na do kata-kata banyadan lang mathi. I nampak senang, I belong to a guest of honor, jom ke program. I lok jona, Mrs. Eldora Betsy Law, I belong special guest, but I belong to the National Director, Joka NRI Pageant India Private Limited. Ikong marmanang belong secretary Joka Dorbasno, Joka Kynthei, Lawmali Bulun, Kynthei, Joka Kynthei, Kibalak banyak gerlang, hagani ke jambi, bansaki, yagani ke program, kajik Pynkup Burom, ya Miss Sanwaka Surong. Kynthei juga Dorbasno, Kynthei juga sports club, Kynthei juga Seng Samla, but baru kibalai Shah semua sekali kejilan. Kani kalau kapor, kabangga mga kren menta, ngasno mga kren nakajing Seng Seng. Hoy na katulus ni, habalapun niya nga, daging kot, nang ni ng Lawmali kamtam, naiba to ni, bakum juru nagaseng Kynthei, ikaw marmanyan, luang sekretary, berhadir mga suko pa, Pynkup Burom, ya Sanwaka, mga ilok juga. Kum Presiden pat kum National Director jom kani ke NRI Pageant India Private Limited. Da kajing snow keluar ke mensil. Ni om bangin support ya kani program. Namar kalong kaba syongdo. Namar kalong kaba khiatol. Habang ile ban habang support kum ya kini ki program. Hagi ni ski. Let's say. Kibabun ki kena jongi. Kynthei setia ang ming syakma. Namar umdan makersya ni. Umdan mayrat ni. Umdan maagal sini ki. Kibabun ki kena kasi. Kibadai man poy syakma. Nreitang namar umdan support. Kynthei ang ming syakma. Hagan ni jambi. Nakalian ke jonga. But Mrs. Jonga. Gadi President Jonga NRE Pajan India Private Limited. Mrs. Jonga ID National Director. Gidan kita club. Jonga ni company. Mentang gidan Bak GM Harpuri. Berong iway ni club Jonga ni company. Bak ngamnya tu iki. Bangi kloy. Pandiarap iki. Nakalian Jonga company. Try Mrs. Jonga in kubur dia kata. Mo gin dia ram ya fi. Lahat dei hakan dengan kalian. Nakan ni company. Ejogi. Tangki ni Kynthei. Khub leisi ko.